All right, class, today's episode is sliders on the Blackstone. Today's episode is chicken banh mi sliders. So, we're gonna make a coleslaw. I have some veggies ready to go. I also made a quick pickle, which I will put all the recipes and stuff in the description below. But made some pickles. We'll make the slaw, and then I got some stuff that we'll take out to the Blackstone, which I'll explain later. But first and foremost, the coleslaw. All right, so first things first, we need to start with our dressing base. So I'm going to start with a half cup of olive oil mayo, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, a half teaspoon of crushed red pepper, about a half teaspoon of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. Okay, and then I'm going to mix that up. All right, and then to this, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of my green onions, about a cup of cilantro leaves, and I took all the most of the stems off, and then 2 cups of the tricolored coleslaw mix. All right, and then toss that together. All right, and then just for a little bit of texture and maybe a little bit more crunch, I'm gonna add about a half teaspoon of sesame seeds. All right, all done. We're gonna set him off to the side. All right, and then I went ahead and made a sriracha hot honey, which I've made before at least once, which is simply just honey, crushed red pepper flakes, just a little bit of lime juice, probably about a 1/4 teaspoon worth, about a half teaspoon of rice vinegar, and then about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sriracha, and then give that a good mix. So we have our hot honey, our slaw mix, got my all trusty Carb Smart Hawaiian rolls, the homemade pickles, and then for the chicken, which we're gonna go outside for, I could only find ground chicken. You can also use the, every now and then at stores they have the shaved chicken for like Phillies and stuff. You can use that, but we're gonna use the ground chicken today. Got some red onion, about a tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 thin sliced jalapeno, and then you can use either regular ginger and just about a tablespoon's worth of fresh ginger, or about 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, and then some oyster sauce. So without further ado, let's head outside. Alright, so done. Now I'm going to add my slaw. Alright, and then I'm gonna add some of my pickles. Alright, then we're gonna put our top buns on. Then our sriracha honey. Actually gonna sprinkle just a little bit of sesame seeds on top of this. And then some green onion. And that, ladies and gents, is some banh mi chicken sliders. Let's eat. All right, I will for sure probably need a napkin for this. That's okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cheers. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, there's a lot going on. So, all right, so with the coolness of the slaw, it helps a lot because there is a lot of heat going on, especially with the grilled jalapenos. And honestly, even some of the hot honey on top. The hot honey is actually kind of nice because, yeah, there's sriracha in it, yeah, there's red pepper flakes in it, but frankly, it kind of helps add some sweetness to all of this. because there's a lot of heat going on. Now, the hoisin sauce and then kind of the teriyaki style barbecue sauce impromptu that I made with it, with the rice vinegar and all that, there's some sweetness, but it's more of that, I don't want to say sour taste, but it's more of a barbecue-y taste than anything else. And so you need that contrast of sweetness, so therefore the hot honey kind of works out. And then, like I said, the grilled jalapenos, the grilled onions, quite nice, complements everything. And then that little bit of dill flavor from the pickles, yeah. Yeah. Well guys, there you have it. Chicken banh mi sliders on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And as always, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.